Welcome to the exciting world of PC gaming. Get ready for immersive experiences, breathtaking graphics, and a passionate community. Whether you're a complete novice or have dabbled in console gaming, this guide will equip you with the basics to embark on your PC gaming journey. Prepare for endless possibilities. From action-packed shooters to captivating role-playing games, there's a genre for everyone. Join millions of players online and create unforgettable memories. Let's dive in. Before you start, let's talk about your gaming setup. Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Firstly, you'll need a PC that can handle the demands of modern games. Look for a computer with a powerful graphics card, sufficient RAM, and a fast processor. Next, make sure you have a stable internet connection for seamless online gaming. A reliable gaming mouse and keyboard are essential for precise control and responsiveness. Finally, choose a monitor with a high refresh rate and low response time for smooth visuals and an immersive experience. With these basic components, you'll be well equipped to enjoy the vast library of PC games available. Now, let's explore the incredible diversity of PC games. For adrenaline junkies, there are fast-paced first-person shooters like Counter-Strike Global Offensive and Call of Duty Warzone. If you prefer immersive storytelling, role-playing games like The Witcher 3, Wild Hunt, and Elden Ring offer vast worlds to explore and captivating narratives. Strategy game enthusiasts can test their skills in titles like Civilization VI and StarCraft II, while fans of creativity and simulation can lose themselves. One of the best things about PC gaming is the vibrant community. Online platforms like Steam and Discord offer spaces to connect with fellow gamers, discuss games, find teammates, and participate in tournaments. Join forums and subreddits dedicated to your favorite games to exchange tips, strategies, and learn from experienced players. Improving your gaming skills takes time and practice. Start by mastering the basics of your chosen genre and gradually challenge yourself with higher difficulty settings. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Every gamer starts somewhere. Focus on enjoying the process of learning and improving. Remember, gaming is about having fun and connecting with others. Embrace the challenge, celebrate your victories, and never stop exploring the ever-evolving world of PC gaming. Welcome to the